this is our small wet bag, which holds 4 regular pads and 2 or 3 maxi pads. Now, what you do for the second way of washing is you take your used pad, and this time you'll rinse it under the tap. So give it a rinse, give it a rub. So you can use a stain remover stick. This is the one that we sell. It's by BunchaFarmers stain remover stick, and there it is. It's a lovely smelling, lemony smelling stick, and it works really well for all sorts of household stains actually. So once you've run your pad under the tap, give it a really good rub with the stain remover stick, get a good lather and give it a good rub, and then you pop that in the wash bag, and you can put in as many pads as will go in there and leave them in there until it's washing day. So when your wet bag is full, or when you're ready to do a wash, you just remove the pads from the wet bag. I've piled them in here to show you how many it will take. It's got 3 regulars and 2 maxes, and there was room for more. So when you're ready to wash, just take those used pads, and you can wash them in one of our wash bags if you like, or to be honest, you can just put them straight in the wash. But this way keeps them all in one place, I suppose. So that goes in the wash, and you can wash again up to 60 degrees without damaging any of the fabrics, and that's true for the wool pads as well as the polyester fleece pads. Simple as that.